Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect report so you can analyse your strategic plans and progress. Whether you want to see how you're doing against your goals and initiatives, highlight team progress, or review customer feedback, you will love having all the data you need at your fingertips so you can quickly answer questions and make informed decisions. Let's get started. AHA Roadmaps comes with a powerful analytics engine. You can create list reports, pivot tables and charts using over 200 data fields and unlimited custom fields. Access our library of more than 75 popular example reports to help you get going quickly. Or create your own report from scratch. The Report Builder helps you quickly turn your product data into beautiful visualizations. It guides you through each step, from choosing a record type and layout, to selecting fields and filters. Then, you can customize the details to make your report look exactly the way you want. Now give your new report a title, save it, and then share it. You can add report views to an AHA presentation or dashboard, publish as a secure web page, or export as a PNG image or PDF document. Let's take a closer look at some example reports so you can envision the possibilities. Here we created a list report that shows progress against strategic initiatives. You can add, move, and rename columns. And then filter and sort the data to focus on the most relevant information. You can also perform calculations directly in your list report. In this example, we added a calculation column that divides the target revenue by actual revenue to track progress as a percentage. A pivot table is ideal for when you need to analyse large amounts of data. You can group, sort and summarise fields exactly the way you want to gain valuable insights. This report shows the status of customer ideas by category. You can control how fields are sorted by row, column or cell values, how data is listed within cells, and add a summary row or column. You can also customize the style of your pivot table, including the theme, column and row headers, and how you want to color your table. Choose from a variety of charts, including bar, column, line, pie, scatter and bubble charts to spot trends and patterns across your data. Here we created a bar chart to report on the number of features shipped each month. You can easily adjust your chart settings and see the results in real time. When we update the chart to vertical bars and group the data by feature type, we can clearly see how the team is performing. You can also bring multiple reports together in an interactive dashboard. Here we created a dashboard to highlight product delivery metrics. This makes it possible to evaluate the team's velocity based on the status of epics, number of features shipped each month, and release progress, providing a complete picture of how we're doing against our roadmap. Let's now take a look at a few other types of reports that you can use to help you successfully deliver your product plans. Use the capacity report to understand the workload of individuals or teams so you can identify who is under or over capacity and reallocate work to meet delivery dates. With the dependency report, you can pinpoint interrelated work across multiple products in a single view, so you can see how work is related and keep your launch plans on track. And the hierarchy and diagram reports provide two ways to visualize relationships across your goals, initiatives, releases and features, so you can instantly see how everything ties together. AHA Roadmaps comes with all the reports you need to manage your product with conviction and answer tough questions about what is complete and what is planned. You can find and manage your saved reports on the Reports Overview page. Set up folders. View recently accessed and favourite reports, and search to find the report you need. If you need help creating the perfect report, use the question mark in your account to get help fast. Get started today with a free 30-day trial, or join one of our live weekly demos. Our customer success team are all former product managers and AHA experts. We want to help you showcase the team's incredible accomplishments.